from Tosh Tires. I've got a Hyundai i20 here on a 2017-2018 plate. Just going to show you how to reset the... It's quite a simple procedure on this one. If I switch the ignition on, you'll see in the display right there, it says minus 4,000 miles. I'm going to reset that for you now. Right, just going to show you how to reset the service light. If you look in the middle right there, as you can see, it says minus 4,260 miles. So I'll press and hold the reset button, which is this. That's resetting it now. Let go of the button, still hasn't done it. So hold the button again. And now let go of the button. Right, it didn't do it, so let's do it again. So when it flashes, so that's flashing now, so I let go of the button, I'll press and hold it again. That's it, that's all done. So I'll switch the ignition off, switch the ignition back on. Now it says 10,000 miles. That's all you got to do on this particular model. Once again, when you switch the ignition off, this is the reset button. So you switch the ignition on, press and hold the reset button. Now it's flashing, so let go of the reset button, hold it again, and that's it. So when it stops flashing, that means it's done. Switch the ignition off, take the keys out, and job done. Anything else you need to know, please do let us know. We'll try helping you as much as we can. And this model here goes from 2015 to 2020. Anything after that, we just have to work on. Thank you, goodbye.